They walk in and the whole room shifts. They talk like they know you forever, laugh at your jokes, remember tiny details you just mentioned. You feel pulled in. That spark you think is chemistry? It's actually a playbook. Narcissists know exactly how to win you over, and it works more often than you like to admit. Welcome to Why You Do That? Make yourself at home. They flood you with compliments, not just you look nice, but little things. Your laugh, your ideas, the way you explain something. It feels personal. That's the hook. Your brain lights up from that attention and starts linking them with good feelings. You don't see manipulation, you see magic. They speak with absolute certainty, shoulders back, steady voice, bold opinions. They don't leave room for doubt, and our brain mistakes that for skill. Confidence is persuasive even when it's empty. That's why someone bragging about a business idea can sound more impressive than someone quietly running a real one. They copy the rhythm of your voice. They nod when you nod, lean in when you lean in. It feels like perfect chemistry, but it's rehearsed. Humans are wired to like people who act like us, so when they mirror you, it tricks your brain into thinking, we are the same. They listen just long enough to echo your feelings. You said you're stressed at work, they sigh and say, I know, I feel that too. You open up and suddenly it feels like they understand you better than anyone else. But they're not really inside your world. They feed in your words back to you, and it's enough to keep you hooked. Narcissists don't build connection for closeness, they build them for control. At their core is fragile self-esteem, constantly needing fuel. Charm, confidence, mirroring, fake empathy, all of it is designed to secure admiration and attention. The moment that supply fades, they shift, because underneath the act is fear of being ordinary, overlooked, or exposed. Then the warmth cools, the same person who lifted you up starts pulling away, criticizing or demanding more. You chase the spark you felt at the start, thinking it'd come back. But that first stage was never love, it was bait. That's how people get stuck in the cycle, addicted to the high of the beginning. So why do you fall for narcissists so easily? Because they know how to hack your brain with charm, confidence, and fake connection. Once you see the pattern, you're harder to fool. And that's how the spell breaks. And if you watched this video all the way up here, that means it was interesting. So hit like and subscribe for more psychology you can use in real life. And if you want to support my channel and fuel the next episode, you can do this with a coffee. Link and other things you can find useful are below the video. This is Why I Do That. See you in the next one.